This is Charity's first peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I brought her inside while Mommy made the girls' lunch and wrapped her up in the towel and set her in the high chair. And of course, all of a sudden I hear water running. I was like, what is that? Yes, it's coming from the bottom of Charity's high chair. She got inside, got dried off, and decided that it would be an appropriate time to pee. Whoa! Is that a sticky bar? Needless to say, I'm gonna have to clean the high chair when we're done. But she's not in a diaper. She was playing in the pool in just her bathing suit. I think she'll probably need a bath before she makes it back in the pool. You ready for the drink? Oh, look at those big old eyes. Take it down, big old eyes. Please don't get jelly up. Well, that was fun. We love you, Daddy.